Title: Multiple Intelligence Type Questionnaire. Age group: 7 to 12. Bodily-Kinesthetic Intelligence Type. Introduction. Bodily-kinesthetic intelligence is one of the multiple intelligences, highlighting the ability to learn and express oneself through physical movement and interaction with the environment. It includes skills such as sensory awareness, coordination, reflexes, and hands-on learning. Children with strong bodily kinesthetic intelligence enjoy physical activities, hands-on experiments, and group games. They learn best by doing and often show dexterity, flexibility, and a natural inclination toward active exploration. This questionnaire is designed to assess whether your child demonstrates strengths in bodily kinesthetic intelligence. The questions focus on their preferences for movement, hands-on tasks, and physical interaction with their surroundings. These insights can guide parents and educators in fostering learning through active and tactile experiences. The download links to the questionnaire, along with the Excel personality test to determine the multiple intelligence type, can be found in the description box of this podcast. 1. What do you enjoy most about learning new things? A. Doing hands-on activities to understand them. B. Practicing movements or skills repeatedly. C. Using tools or materials to create something. D. Exploring how things work by taking them apart. 2. When playing games, what do you enjoy most? A. Physical activities like running or jumping. B. Games that require teamwork and movement. C. Using tools or manipulatives to solve puzzles. D. Building or constructing during play. 3. What do you feel most confident doing? A. Performing in sports or dance. B. Building or creating something with my hands. C. Solving physical challenges like puzzles or mazes. D. Showing agility and balance in activities. 4. When you're learning something, how do you prefer to do it? A. By physically trying it out. B. By watching someone demonstrate it first. C. By using tools or manipulatives to practice. D. By moving around while working on it. 5. What do you enjoy most about group activities? A. Playing active team games. B. Working on hands-on tasks together. C. Building or constructing something as a team. D. Solving challenges using physical skills. 6. If you could choose a school activity, what would it be? A. Participating in sports or physical games. B. Working on a science experiment. C. Building or creating a model. D. Acting in a play or performing a dance. 7. What do you notice most about your surroundings? How things feel or move. B. How objects are placed or arranged. C. How tools or materials can be used. D. How easily you can interact with the space. 8. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? A. Playing outdoor games or sports. Making crafts or building things. C. Exploring how things work by tinkering. Dancing, acting, or performing. 9. What kind of tasks do you enjoy most? A. Physical tasks that involve movement. B. Hands-on activities with tools or materials. C. Activities that involve building or creating. D. Playing games that require quick reactions. 10. How do you prefer to express your feelings? A. Through movement or physical gestures. B. By creating or building something meaningful. C. By acting out a scene or role-playing. D. Through rhythmic movements like dance. 11. When working on a project, what do you like most? A. Getting physically involved in making it. B. Experimenting with materials to complete it. C. Building or arranging it until it's perfect. D. Using tools to add finishing touches. 12. What do you enjoy about sports or physical activities? A. Feeling strong and coordinated. B. Using teamwork to achieve goals. C. Trying new movements or techniques. D. Competing in a fun and active way. 13. What kind of challenges do you enjoy solving? A. Physical challenges like obstacle courses. B. Building or crafting challenges. C. Using tools or materials creatively. D. Movement-based games or activities. 14. What makes you feel most accomplished? A. Mastering a physical skill like dancing or sports. B. Completing a hands-on project. C. Building something from scratch. D. Solving a problem using physical tools. 15. If you could plan a fun day, what would it include? A. Outdoor games or sports. B. Building or crafting activities. C. Exploring how things work by tinkering. D. Acting, dancing, or performing. 16. How do you feel when working with tools or materials? A. Excited to create something new. B. Focused and determined. C. Curious about how they work. D. Energized and ready to explore. 17. What do you enjoy most about playing with others? A. Team games that involve movement. B. Hands-on tasks we can work on together. C. Creating something as a group. D. Acting out fun stories or scenes. 18. What makes you excited about learning new things? A. Getting to try them out myself. B. Using tools or objects to experiment. C. Building or designing something with my hands. D. Moving around and staying active while learning. 19. What do you think makes a great group project? A. Everyone working on something physical together. B. Using materials to create something meaningful. C. Trying out different tools to complete the task. D. Acting or moving together in harmony. 20. What do you enjoy most about field trips? A. Hands-on activities like workshops or labs. B. Exploring places that involve physical interaction. C. Using tools or manipulatives during the trip. D. Participating in active demonstrations or games. Purpose. These questions aim to identify bodily kinesthetic intelligence in children by exploring their preferences for movement, tactile activities, and hands-on learning. Understanding their strengths can help create learning environments that allow active exploration, creativity, and physical engagement. The download links to the questionnaire and the Excel personality test are available in the description box of this podcast.